Master the art of effortless e-commerce by integrating side dropshipping with your Shopify store, unlocking a world of products without ever touching inventory. First, let's get side dropshipping installed on your Shopify store. Log into your Shopify admin panel and navigate to the Apps section in the left-hand menu. Click on Customize Your Store to access the Shopify App Store in the search bar at the top. Type side dropshipping. You'll see side dropshipping listed. Click on it, and then select the Add App button. This will take you to a confirmation screen. Review the permissions side dropshipping needs to manage your store and click Install App to proceed. Congratulations! Side dropshipping is now installed. The next crucial step is to connect your Shopify store to your side dropshipping account. Log into your side dropshipping account on your side dropshipping dashboard. Look for the Stores or Connections section. Click on the option to connect a new store. From the list of supported platforms, select Shopify Side Dropshipping will then prompt you to authorize the connection with your Shopify store. This will direct you back to Shopify for authorization. Review the requested access and click Authorize to finalize the connection. Now for the exciting part, importing products. Browse through the vast catalog on side dropshipping. Once you find a product you want to sell, simply click the Add to Store or Import button. You can customize product titles, descriptions, and pricing directly within side dropshipping before it's pushed to your Shopify store. Once a customer places an order on your Shopify store, side dropshipping automatically receives the order details. This streamlines your order fulfillment process, as new orders are instantly sent for processing and shipping by side dropshipping's network, saving you immense time and effort in managing inventory and shipping. You've just set up a powerful partnership that allows you to scale your dropshipping business with minimal overhead, offering a wide variety of products to your customers with confidence and efficiency.